Massage gun is to noise, how to fix. Cause: excessive noise such as abnormal sounds and vibration noise during the operation of a massage gun is mostly caused by improper installation, loose parts, insufficient lubrication, or foreign object interference. This guide provides step-by-step solutions from basic troubleshooting to advanced treatment to help quickly resolve noise issues and extend the service life of the device. 1. Check and reinstall the massage head. Remove the massage head, check if the interface is worn or stained, align it with the body slot, and press firmly until a click is heard to ensure it is fully locked without looseness. Do not use non-original or ill-sized massage heads to avoid noise caused by uneven force. 2. Clean foreign objects in the body. After powering off, use a brush or air blower to clean dust, hair, and other foreign objects at the massage head interface, body air outlet, and gaps, preventing foreign objects from entering the transmission structure and rubbing against moving parts to generate noise. 3. Check battery status. Start the device after fully charging the battery. If the noise increases significantly when the battery is low, it may be caused by unstable power supply. If the noise persists after charging, replace with an original battery of the same model to troubleshoot. 1. Tighten internal components. Start the device after fully charging the battery. If the noise increases significantly when the battery is low, it may be caused by unstable power supply. If the noise persists after charging, replace with an original battery of the same model to troubleshoot. To add specialized lubricating oil. Drop a small amount of food-grade or mechanical lubricating oil on friction parts such as motor bearings and transmission gears to reduce harsh noise caused by component friction. Do not overfill to prevent oil leakage. 3. Inspect the motor. If the device emits a burning smell, experiences sudden speed drops, or has abnormal vibration during operation, it is likely a motor malfunction, aging coil, rotor deviation, etc. Stop using it immediately, contact the brand's after-sales service for inspection, and replace the original motor if necessary. Daily prevention measures. Clean the massage head and body interface after each use to avoid accumulation of foreign matter. Check the tightness of internal components regularly every 1 to 2 months, tighten them in time, and add lubricating oil once. Avoid storing or using in high temperature and humid environments to prevent aging and damage to the motor and battery. Do not run idly for a long time, and reduce equipment wear.